Okay, so that's the sound of the atta maker, which I have the review video already up on my channel. So that's the reason I have to do a voiceover. So I am using Milton's idli maker. So I found this on Amazon. I will share the link in my description box. It is microwave proof. So you get three plates. It's kind of plastic, I don't know what material, which is you can use it in your microwave. So you get three plates in that, which every plate you can make 4 idlis, so you get 12 idlis. And you need to use this lid which also locks it. And it's so easy to use. I wanted something like this, which is very quick. Just put my atta in it, and within few seconds this was ready. So I made this batter at home using the urad dal and rice. So I put little batter one at a time. First grease it with oil. I washed it first and then used a napkin and wiped it out, made it dry, and then applied oil and few spoons of one or two. It becomes very small idlis, you don't get big size. It's quite cute small idlis. So I put the batter and then fix it one on top of the other. So I made around 10 idlis with this batter, the quantity what I have. So I couldn't figure out what temperature I should click in my microwave. So I just clicked that 30-second one, and within 10 seconds I stopped it. So the idli was ready. So you can literally get the smell of the fragrance of the rice is cooked, something like that. So I turned it off and my idli was ready. I felt that 10-second was also too much. 10 or 15-second was also too much. My idlis was little hard, so I attempted again the second time after a few days. But yeah, you got the idea that within, I think, 8 or 10 seconds the idli was ready. So that's how it is. If you like it, check the link in my description box and you can give it a try. It's easy and very easy to wash it as well. Just plain water you can use it. So I hope you guys like this review, and I ate with my sambar at home. It was yum.